conditional identities we are discussing. In that, some standard identities in triangles we are saying. If you take triangle, three angles will be there: angle A, angle B, angle C. We know that sum of angles of the triangles is equal to 180 degree, that is known as pi radian. 180 degree, that is known as pi radian. Now see here, some identities is there, important identities. These are taken as a results. First result is tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to tan A into tan B into tan C. We discuss the proof for this result. Whether you understand or not understand, no problem, but this result is important. Okay, the derivation also important, proof also you have to learn. Okay, proof tan A plus tan B plus tan C equal to tan A, tan B, tan C, like that we have to prove. Okay. In triangle ABC, angle A plus B plus C equal to 180 degree, you know. Now what we are doing is this A plus B plus C is equal to, you know, that 180 degree, that is known as pi radian. This we can write as A plus B is equal to pi minus C, because C we are taking right side. Now you take both side tan. Tan A plus B, tan A plus B is equal to tan pi minus C. Tan pi minus C. Tan A plus B equal to, both side you take tan. Okay. Now you know the formula for tan A plus B. What is the formula for tan A plus B? Tan A plus B formula is tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. 1 minus tan A tan B. Now this is equal to tan 180 minus theta. Tan 180 minus theta is what for formula? Minus tan theta. So minus tan C. Minus tan C. Now see here, in denominator is there, this term is there. No, you take to right side. What happens here? Tan A plus tan B is equal to, you multiply this term to the right side. Minus tan C into 1 minus tan A tan B. 1 minus tan A tan B. Now see here. Now we are multiplying this term. You multiply this term. So what happens here? Tan A, left hand side is tan A plus tan B is there. Tan B is there. Right hand side multiply it minus tan C. So minus tan C into 1 minus tan C. And the minus tan C into minus tan A tan B you multiply, so that plus tan A tan B tan C. Tan C. Now tan C you bring right, left side. So now see here, tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to tan A plus tan A into tan B. Tan A into tan B into tan C. Tan B into tan C. So this is the result we got. This is the result. So tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to tan A tan B tan C. So this formula you have to remember. Whenever in triangle is given ABC are angles of the triangle, then tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to tan A into tan B into tan C. Okay. Now we are going to see second result. Second result. Second result, what is that means? Tan A by 2 into tan B by 2 plus tan B by 2 into tan C by 2 plus tan C by 2 into tan A by 2 is equal to 1. That means half angle we are taking. This is also in triangle we are taking. We know that A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree radian, 5 radian. If you divide by 2, this equation, if you divide by 2, what happens means A by 2 plus B by 2, C by 2 take right side. So pi minus pi by 2 minus pi by 2 minus C by 2. You are dividing this equation by 2 and C by 2 you are taking right side. Now you take tan in both side. You take tan for both side. If you take tan for both side, what happens here? Take tan A plus A by 2 plus B by 2 is equal to tan pi by 2 minus C by 2. Now here this is tan x plus y form. Tan x plus y form. Tan x plus y, what is that? Tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x tan y. So tan a by 2 plus tan b by 2 divided by 1 minus tan a by 2 into tan b by 2. Now see here, what is this? Tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta is what is that? Tan 90 minus theta. This tan 90 minus theta, no? Tan minus 90 minus theta, cot theta, cot c by 2. Cot c by 2, in which way we can write? 1 by tan c by 2. So this one we can write 1 by tan c by 2. 1 by tan c by 2. Now this tan c by 2 bring left side and this term take right side. What happens here? Tan a by 2 plus tan b by 2 into tan c by 2. Okay, now this denominator take to right side. 1 minus tan a by 2 tan b by 2. Am I correct? Now tan c by 2 multiply inside. So tan a by 2 into tan c by 2 plus tan b by 2 into tan c by 2 is equal to 1 minus tan a by 2 into tan b by 2 is there. Now this tan a by 2 into tan b by 2 bring left side. So what happens here? Here minus is there. If left side it comes, it will become plus. So that tan a by 2 into tan b by 2 plus this tan b by 2 into tan c by 2 plus this tan c by 2 into tan a by 2, that is equal to 1. So this is the result, second result. So when you are given triangle and the sum of angles of the triangle a plus b plus c equal to 180, you know, then what is the result in the sense? Tan a by 2 into tan b by 2 plus tan b by 2 into tan c by 2 plus tan c by 2 into tan a by 2 is equal to 1. So this is one relation.